Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at eBay, and I'm at a page where I have a kit here, which is a hybrid kit, an EFNOTE 5X drums percussion set bundle. Now this is an unusual one, this one, okay, because this one is a marry up between the two, between electronic and acoustic. But this one has the full acoustic look, as you can see there. Has the full acoustic look, right? It's ideal for people for those who want to play live or do studio work, anything like that. This is an ideal setup for that. Here's another view of it, of the same thing. It has a hi-hat, what a splash cymbal, a ride cymbal, and two crash cymbals in this particular set. See, here they are here, but all of them are all of this stuff, all of this is all triggered. You see, all of these is triggered, you know, including the drum heads, which these are double layer mesh heads. So you see, but it's got the shells. So it's got the wooden shells, like it, you know. So it's got the acoustic look with all the hardware and everything else. So I mean, and the sound is there as well. So you can be playing this live, no sweat at all. You don't need to worry about that. And you've got realistic sound from your cymbals, because the cymbal sound goes right from three triggers: edge, middle, and bell. So, and all of this on the cymbals, and you got your little splash as well. So, you know, and your hi-hat, well, this the hi-hat has a actual pearl. There it is. There's the hi-hat there, which is a pearl hi-hat. Yeah. So, and it actually is as realistic as it gets, because they're two open and shut. So it's just really good. It's like a real hi-hat, you see. It makes the same sound. So, I mean, this is an incredible kit, you know. This is suitable for studio work and live, and playing live as well. So, you know, and you know, I guess you know, it can also be used at home, but you'll need a bit of an area to store it, because it's quite large, you see, and it's quite substantial. You know, there's the Evernote or the Encore brain, so, or module, which is all shows you here. See, so there it is there. You got clicks, and you got record, you got menu, your menu for what you, because there are 17 kits in this particular module. That's what it is. It is what it is. And then there's your volume, which you can adjust, so you can have it loud if you want. So that's the thing about this. So you can adjust the volume on it. Yeah. So there's a few things here. So here is the pedal, which is a pearl pedal from a pearl kit. See, there you see there it says pearl right there, pearl. See, and this is a high quality bass pedal. So for the bass. So, and then there's the stand, which is also from pearl as well. This is a hi-hat stand. You know, it's from pearl. And then you've got your two sticks, right? Your sticks, which are cheap. Looks like they're cheap as chips, but anyway, that doesn't mean neither here nor there. I will get a decent pair, but anyway, from another, yeah, kit, another brand, which, yeah, well, you know, depending on what size they are, I'm not sure what size they are. They don't tell you. So that's all right. You know, they're probably 5As or something like that. Maybe they're not 5As. Maybe 5Bs, or or maybe they're 7As. I don't know. Depend. I know what they really are. So, but this is definitely a kit for those. So you can play in a band or situation with this kit because it's acoustic. Look at it. It looks like an acoustic kit. It just really looks like it. So when it's sitting up on the stage, and it's got I mean, the bass drum is basically, it, they're all they're all wooden shells, with mesh heads, and there are two on the bass pedal. There are two triggers on the bass pedal, so you can do double bass if you want as well. So this thing is really decked out for the discerning drummer who is a pro. It's really, that's what it's for. See, so you can control the volume, you control your sampling, you can control the triggers. Everything's controllable here. So, but it looks like acoustic kit. That's what it looks like, and that's the whole idea. But it's got the sound of the electronic, and the electronic has been married up with the acoustic sound. So, and it's really good. Really realistic as it can possibly get. This is really realistic, boy. Very hard to tell the difference. That's the idea. Okay, so so it's an ideal kit for somebody who wants this kind of stuff. Yes, can you play it in an apartment? Yes, you can play in an apartment. Can you play it in a close proximity to a neighbour's? Yes, you can. You can use it in your house, and yes, you can. But it's a bit large, you see, so storage might be a problem. So that's the only downfall with this. This is really for the professionals in the world, those who want to who do gigs and who play live and who do studio work. So I mean, that's what this is for. This is this is quite a it's quite an expensive kit, but then not really, considering I paid what, $3,000 for my Pearl kit 20 odd years ago. So plus the cymbals, which was a little bit more, so that was a $4,000 kit. So now there's 7,496 for me to buy this kit here, which is a 5-piece, as my Pearl exports a 5-piece as well. So I'm the C, I'm not sure what that is, but $5,998.15. But DUA EFNOTE, very good. This is a hybrid kit. And that's what it is. It's got the look on the feel of a acoustic kit, and even the sound of the acoustic kit, right? And that's the thing. But the sound can be controlled. So with that, I'd say, well, get your EFNOTE kit today, and if you're into the band, you're playing live, it'll be really good for you. This will be a really great kit where you can control the sound and everything else. Yeah, and get your EFNOTE kit today. Your EFNOTE 5X E-drum drums and percussion set bundle. See, today, and you get these, like I said, you get a Pearl bass pedal and a Pearl hi-hat stand with that, and you're not going to know that. It's so realistic, it's very hard to tell the difference. So for the sound, and it looks like an acoustic kit. So you've got the presence, and that's the thing with this. All right, so I'm saying to you, thank you for watching. So if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And with that, I'll say thank you for watching, and get your kit today. And bye for now.